Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on Netflix. Here we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Netflix app and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe.